Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be teaching us how to cut filler, popularly known as the Yoruba cap. First of all, you have to get your tape rule, your scissors, your chalk and your ruler. So after that, you rule a straight line or you mark a guideline. Then from there you mark 11.5 inches. That's what I'm using for this cap, 11.5 inches. And also make sure your cap is the length of your cap is up to 50 inches or 60 inches. Then after that, the point whereby we mark our guideline, you tint the part thin, you get to 9 inches, like this. You make it slant, like you slant your tape just as shown in the video. You tint your tape till you get 9 inches, slant 9 inches. Then you chalk it out. You come to the other part whereby we measure our 11 inches, our 11.5. You also tint that part also till you get 9 of an inch, like this, 9 inches. Can you see? So we have the beginning, the beginning point, that is the point where we started our measurements. We have 9. We chalk that place as a guideline. Then we mark our 11.5. Then we tint it. That means we slant it till we have 9 inches slant. Can you see? Because I'm trying to take my video so you could see that part very well, how it's being slanted. Then you take your tape, your ruler rather, then you roll it out. After rolling it out, you confirm also, because this part, you have to get this part. Your slant must be 9 inches. Can you see? So please, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, or if you see this video, please hit the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so that you can see my video whenever I drop my video. And also, I've already made a video on how to sew the popular Yoruba cap known as Fila. So this is just a video because I said I'm going to make a video on how to cut the cap. So this is a video on how to cut the cap, and I'm going to pin the video on how to sew the cap, but this is just a video on how to cut. So I will pin the video on how to sew the cap. It's on my YouTube channel. You can check for the video. Then after you cutting out your first pieces like this, then you use it to cut another, because we are cutting this slanted part in 3. It's going to be in 3 pieces, or in 3 parts rather. So this is the first part, that's the second part. So I'm using it also to cut the third part of it. Can you see it? So this is the third part of it. We are going to cut it in 3 parts, in 3 form rather. So that is the first part. This is the second part. So we are cutting out the third part. Can you see? So this is the first part, this is the second part, and this is the third part. So the remaining one is what we're going to use for our cover. You can join them together, cut it out, then use it to make the cover. So I believe if you watch, or if you go to my YouTube channel, you will see the video on how to make the cap. Thank you and God bless you. Please do well to subscribe.